We also have the hadith collected by Muslim on the authority of Abdullah ibn Amr, in which the Prophet said, let he who wishes to be distanced from the fire يزحزح عن النار ويدخل الجنة تأتي منيته وهو يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر وليأتي إلى الناس ما يحب أن يؤتى إليه. He said in this hadith, let he who wishes to be distanced from the fire of hell and entered into paradise, let him, this person who wishes to achieve these two things, these two objectives, let him meet his demise. Let death come to him while he believes in Allah and the last day, and let him also give people the treatment that he himself would like to receive. Now you mean to tell me that al-mu'amala, dealing with us is not part of the Deen, not an integral part of the Deen, and Allah and the Prophet connected it with what? With an entry into paradise and being protected from the hellfire? It's an integral part of the Deen. How you what? How you deal with others? Because your hereafter can depend on it. Your success in the hereafter can depend on it. So we also have the hadith collected by Bukhari, also on the authority of Abdullah ibn Amr, which the Prophet said in the hadith, al-Muslim man salim al-Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadi. Al-Muslim man salim al-Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadi. He said the Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hands other Muslims are safe. Note, out of all the qualities the Prophet could have chosen to say, this is what signifies the Muslim. This is how you recognize the Muslim. This is how you know if a person is Muslim. People came to the Prophet all the time, and they would say, Mal Islam, what is Islam? And the Prophet would say different things. On this occasion, he said, Al-Muslim man salima al-Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadihi. The Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hands other Muslims are safe. Out of all the qualities the Prophet could have chosen to demonstrate true commitment to Islam, he chose what? He could have chose beliefs. He could have chose the prayer. He could have chosen physical appearance, beard. Oh, you want to know a Muslim? Look at the guy with the beard. You want to know a Muslim? Look at the guy with the short thobe. Want to know a Muslim? Look at the woman with what? The hijab and her face covered. Out of all those possibilities, he chose interpersonal relations. The Muslim, you can recognize him by how he treats what? Other Muslims. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar. Something that what people don't even what? It doesn't resonate with people. But yeah, it is a big deal in the sight of Allah and His Messenger. How you what? How you treat your fellow Muslim.